In this video, we'll explain what a safety moment is, why it's important, and what a typical safety moment slide looks like. A safety moment is a short discussion or presentation about a safety-related topic. It usually takes place at the beginning of a work shift or meeting and is used to strengthen safety awareness by sharing safe practices, observations, and lessons learned related to safety. Elements of a safety moment slide. The first element is the issue. It clearly states the safety topic being addressed. Example: issue: keeping emergency equipment in the dedicated location. Next is the presenter. Anyone can prepare and present a safety moment, especially someone who made a safety observation and wants to share it. Example: presenter, Thomas May, Quality Inspector. Date: the 2nd of February 2022. The observation describes what was noticed. The presenter explains the situation, the circumstances, and what was out of order. For visual presentations, it's recommended to include a photo showing the issue. Example: I noticed that the fire extinguisher was missing and not located in the designated place in the production hall. The risk explains the potential consequences, including worst-case scenarios. This helps the audience understand why the issue matters. Example: quick access to a fire extinguisher is critical to prevent injuries and damage during a fire. Every second counts. In remarks, the presenter can share additional information, such as what actions were taken, who was informed, tips on how to prevent or react to similar situations. Example: the issue was reported to the HSE manager, and the fire extinguisher replacement was organized immediately. If you notice a similar safety issue, report it right away. Why use safety moments? Increases safety awareness, encourages employee engagement, promotes proactive reporting, prevents incidents and injuries, builds a strong safety culture. Small conversations, big impact. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quality and safety insights.